Hi everyone, we're going to find the value of k that will make each of our polynomials a perfect square trinomial. Alright, so basically to be a perfect square trinomial, it needs to look like one of these, like this. So basically, since we already have our first term and our last term, we can take this as 3x squared and this part here as 5y squared. This means this is your A and this is your B. So filling this out, we're going to write this as 3x, and then we don't know if it's plus or minus because the k is in the middle term. So we're going to plus or minus 5y squared. Now expanding this, this is going to give you 9x squared plus or minus 2ab, so that's going to be 30xy plus b squared, so that's going to be plus 25y squared. Everything matches, our first term, our last term, that's good. And now we have this part here, or more importantly, this part here has to equal this part. So we just set it equal to each other. So we have k minus 1 equals plus or minus 30. So just add the 1 to both sides. And that's going to give you k equals 31 or k equals 29. And that's it for that one. Let's see this one. We have a k as the first term, in the first term. So let's factor it out because that's kind of confusing there. If I factor that out, I'm going to get x squared plus 3x divided by k plus 9 divided by k. All right. Now, to simplify this, I want to condense it and write it like this one. So that's going to be k, and you put x plus, and you take half of this. So this is going to be half of 3 is 3 halves, so 3, 2, and then put the k here, squared. All right, so it's like a b divided by 2 there. All right, so that's how you get that. Now let's expand this part. So if you expand that, you're going to get k times x squared plus 3 divided by x, 3 divided by kx plus 9 divided by 4k squared. All right, and then finally, let's go ahead and multiply that k back through. And this is going to give you kx squared plus 3x plus 9 divided by 4k. Now what I want to do is look at what we have for the end. So basically, this is our problem, and we have this 9 here. And for us, we have this 9 divided by 4k. And we're going to set that equal to 9. So simplifying that, this is going to give you 4k equals 1. Right? Because the 9s will cancel out. So our k is going to equal 1 divided by 4, or 1/4. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.